I just found the easiest viral YouTube Shorts niche idea that you can start and get millions of views with less than just 20 videos. Here's an example channel. This channel has just 21 videos and has gotten over 100,000 subscribers. If we check the About section, you'll see it has pulled in over 21 million views, which means they are averaging 1 million views per video. And of course, this means the niche has a lot of potential even with just fewer videos. So what this channel is doing is that they are creating easy facts about animals, most especially dogs. Let's take a look at a sample video so you can understand.
You should never mess with someone who has a Rottweiler as a guard dog. These are the top 4 best guard dogs. 4. Doberman. It's not only the most handsome looking dog, but it goes in super alert mode with its family.
So I think you get the point now. You see, what this channel is doing is simple and can be easily replicated using AI. As a matter of fact, in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to make such videos using an AI video generator called Invideo AI. You see, this AI is just like ChatGPT, but for video. I mean, you literally just give it a prompt and with just a few clicks, your video will be ready. Invideo AI handles everything, including the script, voiceover, subtitles, and background music. In fact, it helps you source the actual stock footage of whatever you want, for example, dogs. But before we start, I always get this question in my comment section. Can channels like this be monetized? And can I monetize shorts created using AI? You see, as long as your video contains more value, especially in editing, just like the one we will be creating in just a moment using Invideo AI, the answer is yes, you can monetize these types of content even with the new YouTube monetization policies. And this is simply because those videos are in fact original and not copyrighted or reused. With that said, let's get started. First, what we want to do is come up with an idea for our video. You can just think of something related to pets like dogs or cat. For instance, 5 most dangerous dog breeds. And of course, you can also watch some of the videos of the channel I showed you earlier just to serve as inspiration, but don't copy them by doing the same thing if you want to get views and get monetized. So once you know what you'll be creating a video around, the next thing is to start putting the video together. Now, to make the video, as I told you earlier, we will be using Invideo AI. You can sign up on Invideo AI for free, but for the best experience, I highly recommend going premium. It starts from just $20 monthly. The link to this AI tool is in the description below. Now, once you're on Invideo AI, what you want to do is just give it a prompt. But first, since we're creating YouTube Shorts, you want to scroll down a little and click on where it says YouTube Shorts. Now we want to give it a prompt. Say for instance, in my case, I'll be creating a video about the most dangerous dog breeds. So I'll just ask it to create a video about the top 5 most dangerous dog breeds. But to get the best out of this AI, your prompt needs to be detailed. For example, take a look at what I told Invideo in my prompt. I told it to create a YouTube Shorts about the top 5 most dangerous dog breeds. And to make it more interesting, so as to increase the average view duration of the video, I asked it to start with a captivating hope-raising hook and make the video engaging throughout. But before continuing to create the video, we want to first play around with the settings. For example, you can change the gender of the voice to either male or female. For me, I'll be going with male. You can also change the voice to something like Clear American Voice, though play around with that until you get the best voice for your video. And of course, you want to add subtitles to your video. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you'll understand how important subtitles are for YouTube Shorts. You see, Invideo has quite a lot of subtitle options. Just play around with them until you find the one you like. Now, the last step in this section is the stock footage. You see, instead of going to websites like Pexels to get footage with Invideo AI, no need to waste your time on that because all that will be done by the AI. Just make sure you select use fewer iStock or use iStock normally. With all that done, now click on Continue. Then you want to click on Generate Video, and after just a few seconds, you should see something like this where you can make additional settings to your shorts like editing the prompt and so on. Just click on Continue, and in just a minute or two, your video will be ready. You can play through just to see how the video looks. If there's anything you don't like in it, you can always make changes to your clip by just clicking on where it says edit and then make the changes you want to make. For instance, if you have stock footage of a specific breed you want to use, you can upload it and add it to the scene. And in case you don't have any footage of your own, with this search bar here, Invideo lets you search through its stock media library where you can find suitable footage for your video. Just make sure you select the image you want to replace and then type in what you want. For instance, Rottweiler, then click on the one you like and it will be added to your clip. You can also make changes to the script. For example, you can change the wording if you'd like. For instance, here where it says ever pondered, you can change it to something like ever wondered. You can also read through and make more changes to the script. Once you're done with all that, just click on apply changes, and just like that, the changes you made will be applied to the video. You can also make quick edits to the clip using this box here. Just type in what you want. For instance, tell it to add subscribe to the channel to the outro, and if you noticed, with the changes we made earlier to the script, the video is now longer than 1 minute, which is too long for shorts. So you can also just tell it to make the video just 55 seconds long, then click on generate, and just like that, all the changes will be applied. And with all that done, your video is now complete and ready. But just one more thing, you see, if you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, I recommend you subscribe to Invideo AI Premium Plan. It's just $20 per month. The link is in the description below. With that said, let's take a look at what we just created.
Ever wondered which dog breeds are considered the most dangerous? Buckle up as we dive into the world of canines. Landing at number 5, we have the Alaskan Malamute. Don't let their fluffy exterior fool you. These work dogs are built for endurance and strength. Next we have the Rottweiler at number 4. Known for their protective instincts, they can be a real force when threatened. In the middle at number 3, the German Shepherd. These intelligent companions are often used in police work due to their fearlessness. Runner-up at number 2, we've got the Boxer. Despite their playful nature, without proper training, they can be quite aggressive. And finally, at number 1, the Pit Bull. Often misunderstood, these dogs are powerful and determined.
Amazing, right? So now you can download the video by just clicking on where it says export and then click on continue, and in just a few seconds your video will be downloaded to your computer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss out on the next one, where I'll be showing you how I got my YouTube channel monetized in less than 60 days. Peace.